Hello friends, Running Kimono here, your Walgreens preview for the week of the 19th to the 25th. Lots of really reasonable deals in this flyer and we are really excited. Big thumbs up and hype for the savings over at Walgreens. First off, many boosters. This one is a 10 when you spend 45, valid for that specific week. Multi-use limit of 7 times online and in store. That is very, very, very interesting. The fact that they're actually putting a limit and allowing us to use it more than once. We have a 15 back when you spend 45 on P&G Dental Care. We also have a 3 back when you buy 2 P&G Dental Care items, valid that specific week. And typically when they have this, the register reward deals mirror the same in store. And we have a 10 back when you spend 40 on Olay skincare, and that is a multi-use and it's valid online only. So really, the devil's in the details. If you look at the bottom, it's a single-use offer, valid online only. 4 back when you buy 4 P&G deodorants. Interesting. Remember, class, this is just a preview that we're doing today. The full ad, along with all of the digital coupons, will be published in the Walgreens app on Sunday the 19th. The coupons typically show up anywhere between 5 to 8 a.m. Eastern time. So if you're writing to me at midnight, like, where are the coupons? They're not going to show up till Sunday morning between 5 to 8, depending where you're living. The super deal that we have is on the $3.99 Garnier Fructis, probably a 4 off a 2 coupon and a $2 reward when you purchase 2. Grabbing 2 of these shampoos, the Garnier Fructis at $3.99 a pop, that's $7.98. I'm assuming it's going to be a 4 off a 2. Pay $3.98 after that coupon, get back a $2 register reward, making it $1.98 for 2 or 99 cents per shampoo. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. What is a booster? Good question. On the top, you have a paper booster. On the bottom, you have a digital booster. In this sort of a deal where I'm saying to do the deal without a booster, you're not using either of these in play with your deal. And that's specifically what I mean. Next deal that I absolutely love this week is the $5 Colgate with the 4 off 2 digital coupon and a $5 reward when you purchase 2 items. Grabbing 2 paste or 2 brushes, that's 10. Do with them in separate transactions because that 4 off 2 is very specific to the toothpaste or the toothbrushes, and you will only get 1 register reward per transaction. Subtracting that coupon, you're paying $6, get back a $5 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per unit. This is an extreme couponing price. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Spend it to earn that register reward. Tom's of Maine, really great deal. The kids' toothpaste is the cheapest item at $5.99. Anything else will be an extra $1. So grabbing 2 of the kids' toothpaste, that's $8.98 on a buy one, get one free. Subtracting the $2, you're paying $6.98, getting back a $2 register reward, making it $4.98 for the 2 or $2.49 per item. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, and hang on to your receipt in case IBOTTA might have a rebate for this specific item, the Tom's deodorant, or alternatively the toothpaste. Olay body wash will be $8 and it's a $5 reward when you purchase 3, and that 7 coupon is typically a 7 off of 3 off of the more expensive ones. Grabbing 3 at $8, that's $24. Subtracting that coupon, you're going to pay $17, get back a $5 register reward, making it $12 for 3 or $4 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And depending if you're grabbing the Old Spice or the Olay, hang on to your receipt because you have up to a week post with IBOTTA in case a rebate might appear, and then you can apply for it, making it a lot cheaper. And sometimes with Olay body wash, these rebates with IBOTTA tend to pop up, which I absolutely love. Moving it along, see that stick deodorant or the brick deodorant by Degree, or they call it the solids? That one right there. If this works out perfectly, grabbing 2 of the Degree solids for the ladies, that would be $9.73. I'm assuming that's going to be a 5 off a 2 digital coupon. You would pay $4.73, get back a $2 register reward, making it $2.73 for the 2 or $1.36 per. Now, sometimes Fetch has rebates for Degree deodorant, so double, triple check. This possibly could even be a freebie for you with the Fetch Rewards app. Think it's no big surprise that I have been living at Home Depot with that 90% clearance in the last little bit. A 12 pack of the Scott's 1000 at HD is $14.99. This deal is so much better. Grabbing two of them at $2.99 at Walgreens, that's $21.98. Subtracting our coupon, you're going to pay $19.98. That $1.25 is for the smaller bags that are $5. The $1.25 store coupon, it doesn't apply, guys. Getting back a $3 register reward, making it $16.98 for the two, or $8.49 per bag, in comparison to Home Depot's like $14 bag. This is a deal. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Herbal Essence stylers, so like they have a mousse and a hairspray. I think they're going to be $5 for this deal, and I think it's going to be a 3 off a 2 for that. Let's hope. If it is, here it is. Two of those stylers at $5 each, that's 10. Subtracting that 3, it'll be 7. Get back a $4 register reward, making it 3 for 2, or $1.50 per styler. Obviously, it's not going to be the Head and Shoulders or the larger bottles of the Herbal Essence. Again, if you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, and this isn't a bad little deal any way you slice the pie, but we'll have to wait and see again what specifically it's going to be at $5 starting on Sunday. Now let's take a quick look at some of the honorable mentions in this video. The first one goes to a 3 for 10 on the Gain Laundry Care, which is not bad. These are probably the 25 loaders and the smaller ones. If you're a new couponer trying to build up your stockpile, $3.33 compared to $4.99, that's a little bit of savings for you. And we also have a buy one, get one 50% off on the Gillette Old Spice. That 10, is it going to be a 10 off a 2 for the ladies and the men's? If that's a yes, this is potentially a fabulous deal. If not, it's going to be like $20 for 4, which I still think is way too much. Go with the Degree deodorant. It's a much better deal. A buy one, get 2 for free. It typically shakes it out to like $1.50, and this is for the small or the medium size Walgreens trash bags. If you have a lot of pets, you know the value in these bags. And just a little bit of food for thought. There's a lot of products right now that are really, really cheap with Walgreens cash or register rewards. If your area in the Midwest has been hit really, really hard with flooding, maybe there's a command center where people are staying or people are giving out items such as the Red Cross. You might want to drop off a couple things for the volunteers or for families that have been displaced because of the really bad flooding. We have buy one, get one free on all these soft drinks, especially for the volunteers. I think that would be such a great little item to donate. And I know a lot of people, Wisconsin and Michigan, dealing with a lot of flooding, maybe displaced from their home. Lots of these snacks and stuff, cheaper. You know, if you can get to $50 and use $50 in Walgreens cash, I think that's just a really generous thing to do. And then we have these waters at 3 for $9 or $3 for a 24 pack. Also a really great item to donate if your area has been touched by the really, really nasty floods that have happened as of this week. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.